Beautiful day out there. Just thought I would make some guacamole for you guys. I've just taken some butter avos off my tree, and I'm going to show you how to make a really cool guacamole recipe, guys. So let's go get it. Guys, depending on the size of the guacamole that you're going to make, you can choose how many avocados you want. So it really depends on the size of your avocado and how big of a portion you'd like to have. So for example, I've got here 2 large ripe avocados, and that's how much I'm going to need. So if you want to have 4 small ones or 4 large ones, it just depends on how much you want to make. So just choose how many avocados accordingly, guys. Alright guys, just clean your avocados, peel the skin off, and just place them in a large bowl. It's really easy to do. If the avocados are ripe, they'll just scrape right out with a spoon. It's the easiest way. And place them into a large bowl. I'm just going to take a fork and start to mash it. Sometimes I'll take a sharp knife as well, just kind of mash it like that. Chop it up. Then you can just mash it up until there's no lumps or chunks. Must be just completely smooth, guys. That creamy avocado. You know you love guac. Once you get a consistency that you're happy with, and it's nice and smooth and you're happy with it, you got all the chunks out and you got smooth and creamy avocado, you start to add in the good stuff. Make it guacamole. So I'm just going to put in a little bit of Himalayan salt, as much as you like. If you don't have Himalayan salt, you can use regular salt, or you don't have to put salt in at all. It just depends if you want a little bit of salt for taste. Now if you have a real lemon, you can use lemon, or you can use lemon juice like I'm using right now. But if you have a lemon at home, just juice 1 whole lemon and pour it on in. I'm just going to pour in a little bit of lemon juice like that, depending on how much you like. You can flavor this however you want it, guys. If you don't like the lemon, it's fine. I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil, just a little dollop. Give that a stir. You can really make this how you want to. You can put in any herbs and spices to flavor it however you'd like. Now at this point, guys, if you're wanting to have spicy guacamole, what I'm going to do is just add in some crushed chilies. If you guys don't want your guacamole to be spicy or hot, just leave the chilies out. And if you don't have chili flakes, you can just chop up 1 chili, or make it as hot as you like, or not at all, just depending how you guys feel. We like ours a little bit spicy, put in a little bit of chili flakes. Also for some nice color, that red and green in there. Put a little more chili flakes, put a little fire in the meal. Boom! I'm also going to add, and this is completely optional, just a little bit of chopped garlic. Because it's healthy and good for you, and it adds that extra kick of flavor, guys. Stir this up. There you have it, guys. Boom! DIY guacamole, just like in the restaurant. This is going to go awesome on anything, guys, on your burgers at home. If you're making burgers, just have it with some chips or some nachos, some crackers. This is awesome, man. You guys got to try this out. And just a tip, if you want to make your guacamole like earlier in the day, but you don't want it to go black, you want it to stay green, just take the pits out of the avocado, toss them in there, throw it in the fridge, and when you put these in, it's a little trick, guys. Your avocado won't go black at all. It'll stay fresh until you're ready to eat it. Pop it in the fridge, and you'll be ready to go. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what kind of twist you guys put on the guacamole. Let me know what you guys added into it. Did you make it hot and spicy? Did you make it plain? Or did you add something different altogether to it? I'd really like to know how it went for you guys. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification next to the subscribe button, because apparently subscribing is not enough anymore. You also have to hit that little bell so that you can get notified from every video that we let out. So please let us know in the comments below. We love you guys, and we'll see you soon. Much love from our world to yours.